Number 7. What are the smaller basic units of starch and glycogen molecules? So both starch and glycogen molecules are carbohydrates. And both of them are polysaccharides. Okay, these two are both polysaccharides. So which means they are both made of glucose molecules. So glucose molecules are one of the smallest molecules in the carbohydrates, and it's the probably most famous molecule. So D is the answer. Fatty acids and glycerol, they make up fats. And amino acids make up proteins. So A, B, C are not the answers. Okay.